Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty, and we are talking Thanksgiving side dishes. I love them all, I want them all, I could eat them all. But I really do enjoy switching up how I prepare my vegetables every year to keep my Thanksgiving table fresh and exciting and different. So I'm going to show you a way I prepare my asparagus that's fun, sexy, exciting, and a huge hit with my family. I'm going to start by tossing it in a little bit of mayo and stone ground mustard. The stone ground mustard has this sweet, tangy flavor once it hits the griddle, and the mayo helps create a bubble and char on every single piece of asparagus. Now I like slicing this lengthwise so that not only does it cut down the cook time if you're using a thicker asparagus stalk, but you're going to get that bubble and color and char on the inside of the asparagus also. And it really makes for such a gorgeous platter once it's all done. It's the look that counts before we even taste it, right? So if you want to take it a step further, we're going to finish this with a creamy, melty cheese right along the top before we dish it up, and that just sets it over the top. Be sure to visit blackstoneproducts.com for more awesome recipes and ideas. I'm Blackstone Betty. I will see you in the next video. Have a good Thanksgiving.